what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about one of the most important campaign in your entire email marketing. That is your onboarding sequence. And why is that so important? Because you want to build a relationship before we even sell anything. Because relationship is what sells, right? So if they don't feel that your friends, they understand you, they know you, there's no reason for them to buy from you. And that's the reason the first 5 days are the most important. And on the 5 days, we want to tell them our backstory. So how do we write this sequence? So the first day is all about welcome them to join your list and position yourself as an expert or an authority. So you can say, hey, welcome to join my list. And then you want to talk about what's in it for them to join your list. What's the benefit of subscribing your email newsletter, right? Then you want to show them some testimonial, some social proof, things like that to show them you are an expert they should listen to. Then you want to say, hey, but I wasn't that successful at first. Then you can transition to tomorrow's sequence. You can say, I want to tell you my story tomorrow. I want to share with you my struggle tomorrow, right? So that's how you transition to the second day. Then the second day is all about talk about your struggle. What was your struggle? What was your challenges, right? So you want to make them feel connected. You want to make them feel, wow, you were one of us. Wow, they feel understood, right? So you want to show them, so, okay, I was really fat. I tried different way to lose weight, but I cannot do that. Or you can say, hey, I was broke. I didn't know how to make money. Or, okay, I have a really bad relationship with my family. You want to show them some pain you used to have, and they have the same pain. So they feel understood. They feel you were one of them, but you go through the journey, and right now you overcame that, right? So after you show them some struggle, you can show some new discoveries. So one day I walk on street, I found a book, right? Things like that. You found something new and you want to try that. So the third day is all about how you implement that. You found something new, right? Then you want to take action to implement what you just learned. So you take actions, and maybe you have some struggle as well, but eventually you overcame that and you got the result they want, right? So it's not only the result you got, it's the result they want. Maybe you achieved maybe financial freedom, and that's the result they want. So right now you show them you have the same struggle as them, but right now you have something new they didn't know. So you can say, hey, tomorrow I want to share with you how to use that, or in detail what's a new discovery. So the fourth day is about sharing what are the new discovery. You want to show them the framework of the entire thing, but not in too detail, right? So you don't want to show them the step-by-step how or how to do this thing, how to do that. No, we want to talk about the why and the what. So it's a framework. It's the overview of your entire system, not the detail, right? Then you want to share with you, if you want to learn detail, tomorrow I can share with you how you can learn more about that, right? So the fifth day is all about call to action. It's about, hey, I got so many emails asking about the framework, right? So I want to talk about more, but because I cannot teach too much in detail on emails, I want to invite you to my webinar or to my video, right? So you can have a call to action and send them to your webinar, to your video, or to sell your book about the framework. So that's how you can position yourself, tell your story, and sell your product. So that's the most important 5-day sequence in your email marketing. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.